Specializing in intelligent imaging, DDPAI focuses on 3 core product categories, providing global customers with complete solutions for high-quality intelligent imaging products. Professional team includes optical engineers, electronics R&D specialists, quality control experts, technical professionals, ensure excellence at every stage of intelligent imaging manufacturing. Premium environment. DDPAI provides constant temperature and humidity, ISO Class 7 clean room, and full process intelligent inspection lines. Provide optimal conditions for manufacturing, precision optical and electronic components. Core capacity. Covering SMT mounting, final assembly, and aging testing. Advanced equipment enables large-scale flexible production. Annual SMT mounting capacity 1.14 billion. Annual production capacity 3 million. End-to-end production. From premium raw material sourcing to global delivery, we've built a complete one-stop production system where precision drives every process. Rigorous quality control. Certified to IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 with integrated MES and ERP systems, enabling intelligent and visualized management. Professional testing. DDPAI's in-house laboratory conducts comprehensive tests, including electrical performance, mechanical characteristics, environmental adaptability, and transportation reliability, ensuring stable performance in all applications. Complete portfolio. Our range includes dashcams, streaming rear-view mirrors, CarPlay smart displays, action cameras, interactive smart pet feeders. Complete portfolio meeting all needs: automotive, outdoor, home security, and smart living. Since our establishment, DDPAI has become a trusted partner to numerous leading enterprises. We've built a stable, reliable supply chain and earned widespread market recognition through superior quality. DDPAI has become a benchmark in intelligent imaging manufacturing. With smart manufacturing at our core, supported by full chain R&D, large-scale flexible production, and rigorous quality control. Let's partner to create the future of visual intelligence.